Now I've been carrying this guy for several days now, but I'll do a quick unboxing. So what you get in the box is you get the flashlight itself. And pull that out. Get the little flashlight. You get a key ring attachment. Get your instruction manual. Product certification. Warranty card. You get a USB-C charging cable for the flashlight itself. And they even include, if I can get them out, they even include some additional O-rings for the gasket that is going to protect your battery from water. So the gasket is going to go inside of the threaded portion right back here. This is a really innovative, there's your gasket. This is a really innovative, unique flashlight. Enough with the unboxing. Let's get into the review. Multiple modes. Turbo mode. And you have your RGB light here. Green. Green solid and blue. Pretty cool. And blue flashing. Worried about losing your night vision? Just turn on the red area light or RGB light. Solid green. Flashing green. And even blue. With the clip, you've always got light where you need it. Not only does it clip to your hat, but it has a magnetic, it has heavy duty magnets on the back, so it'll attach to any metallic surface that's magnetic. With the handy attachment clip, you can keep both of your hands free for whatever you need to do. And at 900 lumens, this little guy is no slouch when it comes to light output. You can see the little flood or 270-degree area light provides plenty of light to allow you to work on something in the dark. Worried about dropping it in the water? Don't be. It's IP68 waterproof to 2 meters. Good as new.